Hey Dekoni audio fans, today we're going to show you how to change your earpads for the Sony MDR-7506. The first step is to stick your finger inside of the earpad and pull outwards. This will release the earpad from the headphone. Grab your new Dekoni audio earpads and get ready to place them on your headphone. Both sides are symmetrical, so it does not matter which one you choose. For aesthetic reasons, you can choose to put the seam at the bottom of the ear cup. Slide the earpad lip into the groove and pull it around the ear cup as needed to make sure it is entirely seated on the headphone. Tug on it a little bit to make sure it is completely attached. Repeat once more for the other side. Now, enjoy your new Dekoni audio earpads, and thanks for watching.